played some good football over the first 45 minutes. You must feel disappointed that you couldn't walk away with something positive out of this game.
Yeah, definitely feel disappointed. And after the excellent first half that we have, but you know, it's the second game in a row that we have to be talking about two halves. You know, it's a tale of two halves. We dominated in the first half, and the second half we came out very flat. And you know, if we don't take our opportunities early, then it's going to come back to haunt us. And that's exactly what happened again today. You know, we made some mistakes, and we have been making self-inflicted mistakes while we are conceding goals. You know, and I think we played a very good first half against the St. George's team. We made them feel very uncomfortable, and it was just in the last 45 minutes that, you know, we really surrendered the ascendancy and allowed them to get in the game. Our injury to our goalkeeper made a big difference too, because losing that our number one goalkeeper and captain really cost us a bit of trauma, and because of that, you know, we were really on the defensive foot. But you know, I'm going to continue to give these youngsters credit. They fought until the very last whistle, and they worked hard. They tried to look for the equalizer, and we're just going to have to continue working hard. You know, when you look at our team today, you know, we had about 3 14-year-olds out there. You know, we started 3 of them, 2 played on the flank, and you know, they gave a good effort, and we're going to have to continue to work on this program, continue to develop players, and continue to work hard for the remainder of the season.